Hello everyone, you're watching us on NDTV Who's That 360 and we have not one but two power pack ladies with us today. One is Kanika Khanna Bhatia, she's a content creator, and the other one is Himani Daura, better known as Mama Learns, and together they make Navi Mumbai Moms.
Diva.
Navi Mumbai Divas, let's not forget that. So thank you for joining us, both of you.
Thank you, Siddhi. Thank you.
So I'm going to ask you questions and one by one you can answer. So firstly, obviously tell us about your community, Navi Mumbai Divas.
So basically, Navi Mumbai Divas is one of the first and the leading community of influencers as well as mompreneurs from Navi Mumbai specifically. And we have 750 plus moms from Navi Mumbai in a WhatsApp group since past 2 years now. And on Instagram social handles, there are 1500 plus moms. And we have extended our community to Central and Western recently. Yes. So overall, we have more than 2500 plus mompreneurs in our platform. Yes.
Wow. So Who's That 360 also does something similar. We also have a big community of influencers. So it's like more than 20,000 influencers that we have. So great. So I'm going to ask you some questions related to content creation. And I'll start with you. So what's the most mom thing that you've done in the last 24 hours?
Mom thing I've done in the last 24 hours is running behind my child. And before leaving actually for this event, my son starts crying and he throws a tantrum. And my mom is like, you just have to, pay some more attention to him. And the mommy thing that I could done is just do a cuddle and, kiss him. And all I could just tell him as, that mama is going to be back. And that's what we do always whenever I, go to an event. And actually this always happens. Whenever I go to an event, my son throws a tantrum. So it's like, it's a routine for us. But then, yes, again, I always wait for that hug when I go back home again. Yes.
And what's one mom myth that you would like to bust, Kanika?
So one mom myth that I would like to burst, that people think that after being a mom, you have to restrict yourself. Honestly, after being a mother, I am in a total nuclear setup, managing everything on my own. And I think whatever I have achieved being a mother and after being a mother, so I would say just one thing, that motherhood is not a foundation but could be a beautiful foundation to some amazing career. Like if one, I have to say that's mom influencer who's taking up the marketing to another level.
So Himani, what is one thing you like about content creation?
One thing I like about content creation is I can be myself, which I was not very much confident before I started my content creation journey. So now, if I look back 5 years back, the Himani who I was and who I am right now is a complete different person and a personality. So it has given me confidence and a platform where I can, show myself out to the world and to the moms out there. So helping them out with the daily motherhood course and journey, that is what I love about content creation the most, yes.
And Kanika, what is one thing that you dislike about content creation or social media?
One thing that I would like to say that I dislike about social media, I mean, sometimes it's like taking up too much of our time. And sometimes, since we are mom influencers, sometimes we have to bring our kids without their consent, without their mood to for this content creation. So this is something that I dislike about it.
Okay, so I'll take few names and you just have to say one word about that person. Their personalities, you have to share your one word about that person. Okay, cool. Urfi.
Urfi, I love her dress. The bomb, I can say that.
Ori.
Ori, I love her confidence.
Harpreet Suri.
Confidence, and she's inspiring to many of us. And I love how she, transforms her motherhood journey and how she is now. Big motivation and inspiration for all of us out here. And yes, also, we would say that we're a big fan of you, Harpreet. Yeah.
Kusha Kapila.
Oh, I love her vibe, and I mean, content creation is what I really look up to her. How organic, how natural she is, and that is what real content creation is.
Thank you so much, ladies.
One more, I think, would like to add for Kusha Kapila, that the way she created this Delhi versus Mumbai is something that I really connect to. So you are our favorite.
You're actually from Delhi, staying in Bombay.
Yeah.
Huh? All right. Thank you so much for talking, both of you.
Thank you, Siddhi, for this opportunity, and thank you, NDTV Who's That 360 for this opportunity.